So here's the bag. So excited to be able to open this up. Thank you to HTC for sending this to me. There is a hard shell with cover for the HTC One. Open this one up later. Here's the actual box. Just take the seals off. It's in a nice small slim box here. The front, the back. Here's the phone itself. Very nice. This is on the Sprint network. It's got the Beats Audio logo, HTC in the back, beautiful silver color. What comes in the box? Got the Sprint package here. SIM card's already been included in the phone. Got a get started manual here in Spanish. Some important information. A little pamphlet. Sprint always includes these envelopes in case you want to return your old phone and recycle. A couple of HTC stickers. Also got the AC adapter here, USB cable, and looks like a set of earbuds. Let's open these up. Here's what the earbuds look like. With looks like some ear gels, different sizes. So that's pretty much it. I will be posting some pics online later, but just wanted to share with everyone the unboxing and what comes in the package for the Sprint version of the HTC One. Also, this is the 16 gigabyte version. Alright, bye!